Magandang gabi, magandang umaga, magandang hapon sa lahat. Gerard Claudio here. Kamusta kayo? I hope you guys are doing well. And meron tayong magandang topic tonight. And gusto kong i-share to kasi naniniwala ako na lalo na sa lahat ng karamihan na nandito, lalo na mga bago nating mga network marketers, want to share this one principle that can 10x your network marketing income and 10x your network marketing growth. Ready na ba kayo? Type nyo ready kung ready na kayo. Yan. So just for conversation, no, just to start my topic, I think kanina meron akong I had a chat conversation sa isa sa mga leader ko several years ago sa pagna-network like before pandemic. And nagkaroon kami ng conversation. It was years before kami nakapag-usap kasi hindi naging maganda yung paano ko ba sabihin? Hindi naging maganda yung um, nangyari. No, lalong-lalo na sa takbo ng business niya that was several years ago. I partly blame myself for what happened and let me tell you why in the next few moments kung bakit mahalaga yung sinabi kong yun. So but anyway, so yun nagkaroon kami ng usap. So good thing kasi nag-message siya sa akin like few months ago and ang sabi niya sa akin, Coach, pinapatawad ko na kayo. That was one of the best message na na nakuha ko, natanggap ko. And so bakit niya sinabi 'yon? Kasi this person was one of my closest leader. Kumbaga talagang kung sa lahat ng mga leaders ko talagang pinatawid ko, pinupuntahan ko. Like I really put my 100% of effort to really help him. But it turned out not good. No, maraming mga kumbaga kung babalikan naming dalawa yung mga nangyari, it could have been naiwasan sana yung mga pagkakamali. Okay? Pagkakamali. And isa sa mga pagkakamali namin sa team namin before was maraming nabaon na utang. Maraming nabaon sa utang. Yun yung isa talagang pinaka nangyari, no? Financially, there's so many people na talagang nabaon sa utang. So yun ang pag-usapan namin. So nag-message, we have conversation kanina, may mga chat kami and exchange of chat. And sabi niya sa akin, Coach, kung may upline, kung meron mang isang dapat baguhin sa team natin, ito. So sinabi niya lahat yun, sinabi niya lahat. So, ang sagot ko sa kanya is, sabi ko, alam mo tama ka. And I totally agree with you. And after ko sinabi na nag-agree ako sa sinabi niya, binigay ko lahat ng mga list of all the changes that we did, of all the culture change na ginawa namin sa team namin. Kasi ako, I hope nakita niyo yung mga pagbabago. Pero kinuwento ko sa kanya, ito yung nangyari. After 2023, there was one event ng 2023 na talagang sinabi ko, this is it. I'm done with this. I don't want to do this network marketing business this way. So, pinakita ko sa kanya yung bagong rule, bagong culture, ito yung strategy ng team. And pinakita ko sa kanya lahat ng mga pagbabago. And I told him, this is a painful change. This is a painful experience for me sa pagna-network. Pero necessary siya para sa akin. So, may mga relationship na hindi naging maayos dahil nga sa mga nangyari. Pero sabi ko, pero sabi ko, naging necessary experience para sa akin to. So it turned out, naging magandang usapan namin. Okay? And bakit ko kinikwento sa inyo to, guys? Isang bagay lang na gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, sa pagme-mentor ko sa iba't ibang mga network marketers right now. Kaya by the way, yung one-on-one mentorship ko, hindi ko nililift up yung sarili ko. Pero yung one-on-one mentorship na ina-offer ko is really to really help a network marketer sa company niya na iwasan yung mga pagkakamali na nagawa ko and to really set a very clear system and path. Kasi whether we like it or not, maraming mga tinuturo sa atin sa pagna-network na pinaniwalaan natin. Okay? Na pinaniwalaan natin. Na it turns out na instead na naging maayos yung resulta, napahamak tayo. So I don't blame people technically. But what's this one thing, Gerard, to 10x my growth in network marketing? I want you to write this down. Sulat mo to. Own your mistakes. Own your error. Own your fault. You know, it takes so much humility and pagkain ng pride to do that. It really takes so much humility to nakainin natin na tayo nagkamali. But that's exactly what I hope to relay to my one of my closest leader before, that I admit I have a fault in it. May mali ako. And inaamin ko siya. So, kaya nakikita nyo guys, no, yung mga content ko dito sa page ko is based on my observation sa ibang mga network marketers and my personal experience na ayaw ko na maulit din sa inyo. Na I hope kapag mag-network man kayo, you're gonna be patient enough to run your business and do it ethically, do it right, because that's the way for you to really enjoy your network marketing result. Hindi yung sa pagbili-bili ng product sa volume sa baba, ipipayin mo yung mga kapamilya mo na tapos expecting na gagalaw sila, tapos bibilhin mo yung mga kailangan na volume para makahabol ka sa incentive, bibili ka ng sasakyan para may i-flex ka, bibili ka ng magagarang mga bag para may i-flex ka sa close prospect mo, na akala mo ito yung magpapadami ng pay-in mo, na ito yung tinuturo sa atin. Pero yun ang gusto kong sabihin. There is a right way to build network. And I will tell you, na out of this, as of this moment, I was so enjoying my network marketing business. Parang natanggal yung 80% ng burden ko simply by creating a very strict and a very clear rule sa team ko paano siya gagawin. As in, by even sinasabi ko sa inyo, yung lead generation, lahat ng sinasabi ko sa inyo, lahat ng mga principles sinasabi ko dito sa page na to. Tama? Lahat ng sinasabi ko dito sa page na to. Lahat ng mga content ko. Maybe you're watching this, you're listening to this to podcast. By the way, I have a podcast, no? Pinoy MLM Tactics sa Spotify. I have also on YouTube, Pinoy MLM Tactics by Gerald Claudio. You're in my page and all these things. So, sinasabi ko to kasi I just want you to understand na you own your mistakes. And that's what I did. Hindi siya madali na aminin yung mali. Pero kailangan aminin yung mali. Kasi yun yung unang step guys na nangyari sa akin on where I was so desperate and I say, this is enough. Enough is enough. I'm not going to do it the way I've been doing it before. I will change now. Yun yung ginawa ko. And sinabi ko sa kanya, only by God's grace na nandito pa ako. Kasi things could have gone worse, but God is there to help me out. Pero, gusto ko lang sabihin, there's nothing wrong with network marketing. It is my immaturity. It is me, ako yung kailangang magbago. So, sinishare ko to sa inyo guys. You might have made mistakes in your network marketing business. May mga pagkakamali kayong ginawa sa network marketing business ninyo. Pero I hope, bigyan mo ang sarili mo na pagkakataon na bumangon tsaka bumawi. Give yourself a chance na makabangon at tsaka makabawi because you can. But babawi at babangon ka lang if number one, i-admit natin na may pagkukulang at pagkakamali tayo. Ito yung mga bagay na hindi dinidiscuss ng iba. You will never hear this discussion sa mga upline, sa mga grand mentor, sa mga super grand upline, ultimate galactic emperor mentor, because people want to wear facade. People want to assume that I am the best, I don't make mistakes. Pero na-realize ko guys, hindi talaga eh. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. We will never be wise in life. Hindi tayo magiging matalino sa buhay kung hindi tayo magbabago, at hindi tayo magbabago kung hindi natin i-admit yung kailangan nating baguhin. And that's what I did. And sooner or later, I said, you know what? This is enough. This is not the way network marketing is built. This is the way it should be built. It has to be built the right way. Kailangan gawin ang pag-network ng tama. Kailangan skill-based, hindi facade, hindi pagpe-pretend. And I'll tell you, this is where my faith comes in. A lot of people will judge us of our mistakes. Sa totoo lang. And people will label us because of our mistakes. But that's what I love about my faith. Like, I'm a Christian by faith. That's what I appreciate about being a Christian. Because my faith says, Jesus paid all of my sin, and He forgiven me. Every single mistake that I did. Every single sin that I did. It's releasing the guilt in me. And ba't ko sinasabi sa inyo to? Anyway, I'm not this is not a faith content, but you know, hindi ko kasi ma-detach yung faith ko when it comes to how to own my mistake. And yun ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. You're gonna make mistake, you're gonna mess up in life. You will mess up in life. You will make mistakes sa buhay. Pero okay lang ba? Bigyan mo yung sarili mong pagkakataon na bumangon at lumakad ulit. But this time, i-admit natin yung mali natin and baguhin natin. Because I believe that's how we're gonna move forward in life. And yun ang ginawa ko. Guys, hindi ako darating sa point na marami ako nasa-share sa inyo dito. At marami akong mga... Alam nyo ba kung paano ako gumagawa ng content dito? Basta sabihin ko lang sa inyo. Wala akong script. Ngayon, as of the moment, nagsasalita ako, wala akong bullet points, guys. This is me coming from my heart. I'm expressing things from my heart. Meron ako may mga time that I put bullet points just for me to remind what's the 1, 2, 3. But as of this moment, I don't have anything. Which means I'm speaking from the heart. I just wanted to relate to every single network marketer na magkakamali ka. And that's so I hope it's not I don't hope hindi ko sabihin na okay. Pero kung nagkamali ka, move on. Pero makaka-move on ka lang. Kung number 1, we own our mess up. We own our mistakes and say, nagkamali ako, tatayo ulit ako. Bigyan mo ang sarili mo ng pagkakataon na bumawi ulit. Tumayo ka at bumawi ulit. You see, life is so short for us. Firstly, sa akin, ito yung paniniwala. At sobrang ikli ng buhay para manatili ako sa nakaraan. And kaya sabi ko dun sa leader ko na close ko, sabi ko, thank you sa message mo na sinabi mo na napatawad mo na ako. Maraming salamat sa mensahe mo na sinabi mo na patawad mo na ako. Because it means a lot for me. So, hindi ko nga nasabi na there's a part of me that I've said, I hope I could have become a better leader. I hope naging better leader ako. So kaya lahat ng the way I build my network marketing business right now comes from my mess up and my error and my mistakes. Kaya sinasabi ko sa mga mini-mentor, kayong mga those who pay me for one-on-one mentoring, sorry, I'm not spilling the one-on-one mentoring, but if you want, just message me. I'm giving my heart into it. Because one-on-one mentorship is it's in person to person ko talagang ginagawa. Like I really talk. We really have a regular coaching call, and I really give my heart into it. Kasi parang it became my unconsciously naging driving force ko siya to really help just one network marketer to establish leads, setting the right make better decisions in their network marketing business, help them to develop their skills without the hype, yung wala yung hype ng pag-network. And alam nyo ba guys, ang na-discover ko, kaya siyang gawin ng walang hype. Kaya siyang gawin ng tama. Kaya siyang gawin ng maayos. Kaya siyang gawin ng hindi ka not everybody is winning. Kaya siyang gawin. Type nyo inspiring kung na-inspire kayo. Type nyo encourage kung na-encourage kayo sa sinabi ko. Fepi Togo, hello. Amina Karin. Sabrina Ramirez, hello. Hello, Sir Marvin. See you at 8 p.m. Ownership po, kung ano mang buhay meron tayo. Tama yan, Sir Marvin. Agree ako dyan. Magandang mindset talaga yan. Nezil Collier, good evening sa'yo. Violeta Fulido, Divina Luterte, Warlito Panzo. Yan. Nezil, go to pinoynetworko.org. Yan. So for those people who want to step up, maybe self-learner ka, I have an 899 course. It's 90% discount right now because it's really an amazing course, I'll tell you. Go to pinoynetworko.org. pinoynetworko.org, you can drop there. Oh, check mo lang. Anyway, so sinasabi ko to guys na I think isang bagay na natutunan ko. You own your mistake. You can't just hide and say, it's other people's mistake. Hindi ko nga lang nakwento dun sa leader ko, nag-chat kami na, it's in everybody, and alam nyo ba, na-realize ko lang, hindi lang pala sa amin nangyari yun. Ang daming mga ganun yung nangyari. Again, I've been mentoring a lot of network marketers from other companies sa iba't ibang kumpanya, and it is an industry problem. Tama? It is an industry problem. So, kaya sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo, yun ang dahilan kung bakit kaya ako nag-aral ng mga ganitong skills. Kaya ito yung tinuturo ko. So, yun ang gusto kong, kaya lahat ng sinasabi ko dito, kaya sinabi ko na skill-based siya, na hindi wag mong gawing hype, but rather show what's possible, gawin ng tama, gawin ng maayos. Even meron akong mentor, nag-avail siya ng one-on-one mentorship ko. By the way, yung one-on-one mentorship is really a premium price yun. Nag-uusap kami. This person is at the point of going full-time. Kasi hype na hype talaga siya. Pinipilit siya ng apply niya, mag-full-time ka. Nung nag-mentoring kami, sabi ko, teka lang, pause, wait lang, sabi ko. Wag. Gawin natin to ng part-time. Alam mo yung nangyari, after several months, yung apply niya nag-quit, lumipat sa ibang company. Tapos pinipilit na naman sa kabila, hindi naman mag-ayos ang apply. Bakit ganun yung response ko? Parang naging ganun yung automatic response ko. Kasi experience ko na eh. Nasabi ko sa kanya, the only way for you to go for full-time is make sure mo yung kinikita mo sa pag-na-network is double, equal or at least equal sa kinikita mo sa trabaho mo 6 months to 12 months straight. Wag na wag mong full-time na hindi pa kumikita tuloy-tuloy. So, kasi experience ko na nga siya eh. Tama? And, well, some people might say, hindi, kaya mo full-time yan para makafocus ka. Guys, ito lang sasabihin ko Sa experience ko, hindi mo kailangan mag-full-time para mag-focus. Pakita mo muna na kaya mo siyang gawin ng 2-3 oras sa isang araw. Kasi yung 2-3 oras mo, basta na-maximize mo siya, hindi pwedeng walang galaw yung business mo. Maniwala ka sa akin. Hindi pwedeng walang galaw yung business mo. Kaya mo igalaw yung business mo niyan. 2-3 oras. Hindi ko kayo na-hype pa. Pero 2-3 oras. Kung hindi mo siya kayang gawin ng 2-3 oras, what made you think na kaya mo siyang gawin ng 16 hours a day? So yun yung point ko. And but anyway, saan ba tayo dito? Marco Haldon, you're welcome. Yes. Maraming salamat. Beth Briones. Yan. So anyway, Jenny Chong. Kamusta? Yan. So go to pinoynetworko.org for those who wanted to move up and step up the network marketing game. Time mo dyan. Anyway. So, one point to do. Nakikinig ka ngayon sa akin. Possible matagal ka na sa network marketing or nakaka-relate ka sinasabi ko. Kung nakaka-relate ka, okay lang ba? Type mo relate sa my comments. Ano yung gagawin mo? Own your mistake. Own your error. Never blame anyone. And just own it. Just own it. Kasi pwede ko naman sabihin doon sa kinakausap ko kanina, yung leader namin, pwede ko sabihin na hindi naman sa atin nangyari, kahit naman saan eh. But I didn't say that. I didn't say that. Hindi ko sinabi yun. Hindi ko sinabi yun kasi there's no need to say that. Like, usapan natin dito yung mali natin. Ano yung paano natin papaguhin? Tama? So ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, own your mistake kasi makakabawi ka pa. Guys, ito lang sabihin ko malaking potential na network marketing. But you will make mistakes. May mga time na ma-hype ka, may time na tag dito, pipressuring ka ng apply mo na ganito. Alam mo yun, yung may papagawa yung mga apply mo. So, sige, bili mo na yung run mo, bili mo na yung ganito para maka-akit ka sa stage, para ma-recognize ka. Ano yung mga ganun? Pwede kasing ganun eh. Tama? And pero wala ka pang skills and all, 'di ba? Tapos may rank ka nga pero hindi naman, alam mo yun, hindi akma dun sa skill mo, 'di ba? So sinasabi ko to, kasi you might make mistake, pero kung ma-realize mo mga pagkakamali mo, okay lang ba? Don't be bitter. Just move up again, step up, ang bigyan mo yung sarili mo ng pagkakataon na mag-try ulit. Kaya sinasabi ko, habang binibigyan tayo ng Panginoon ng bagong umaga, ay binibigyan niya tayo ng pagkakataon na baguhin ang ating mga desisyon na maaaring magpabago sa takbo ng ating buhay. So yon. Tama? So, yun ang gusto kong i-emphasize sa inyo. Kahapon, napag-usapan natin about patience. I think 2 days ago ba? 2 days ago, napag-usapan natin about patience. But this time, pag-usapan natin, ito ang discussion. Own our mistakes. Diba? Kaya pala, ang sabi, no, humility is the mother of all virtue. Kaya pala, pride comes before destruction. Kasi, possible na downtrend na yung situation natin, pero hindi pa natin ina-admit. Talagang hindi tayo makakausad sa buhay. So, if you're listening to this vlog right now, or to this video right now, this training right now, yun yung isa sa mga sasuggest ko sa inyo. Habang ngayon pa lang, give yourself the opportunity to move up in life. But the only way for you to move up in life is to admit na nagkamali tayo. Is to admit that we need to make changes. And yun yung ginawa ko. Kaya even yung mga leaders ko, pag sinasabi, when they throw those bad experiences that we have from the past, I never defend. I just agree with them. Sabi ko sa kanila, tama ka. Tama ka. Nagkamali tayo nun. This time, baguhin natin. So, mas empowering yun. Kasi sabi ko, hindi, ganito, kayo nagkamali doon, ganito, kayo ako na doon. Alam mo yun, pwede naman kasi akong, I could act like, pwede na ako mag-gaslighting eh. Pwede naman eh. Pero, I mean, narealize ko lang, pwede ako mag-gaslight, like, binigay ko ng effort ko, ganito, apply ko. Alam mo yung mga ganun. Nag-i-apply na ako, binigay ko naman ng effort ko, hindi naman ako nagkulang. Pero narealize ko, it's not gonna work. I have to own it. I made a mistake. It's time to change. It's time to move forward. It's time to move up. To be a better network marketer. So ngayon, sabi ko dun sa close ko nga na leader, sabi ko sa kanya, sobrang confident ako sa sistema ng pagbe-build right now. As in personally sa akin. I didn't change companies, guys. I just changed the system. Sobrang blessed ako sa, kumbaga, it was painful, but it turned out to be a blessing for me. Mas naging better ako na network marketer. So this time we will do it the right way, and we're gonna do it within the boundaries of what we set in our culture in our team. Marami ako natutunan. Kaya yung mga magpapa-mentor sa akin, yung mga one-on-one mentorship, yun ang gusto kong emphasize, no? And even for those who wanted to join my team, I could offer them more today. Being a leader, being a network marketing leader, I could offer them more today because of all the experiences na meron ako. Okay? May natutunan ba? I hope may natutunan kayo. Type nyo learning, type nyo yes, type nyo agree. And share nyo to. Tag nyo mga teammates nyo dito. And share nyo sa mga GCs ninyo to. Or share mo sa timeline mo. Or share mo sa story mo. I don't know. And kung isi-share nyo sa story nyo, tag nyo lang ako. Yan. So, yun na naman. I hope may natutunan kayo. Type nyo learning. And then, go to pinoynetworker.org. That's the 899 course that I'm offering for network marketers. That's all tactics and strategy para matulungan ka sa network marketing business mo. God bless everybody. You guys are all amazing. Bigyan mo ang sarili mo ng pagkakataon na bumangon. Bye-bye.